It's dog. 2, 1, go! Wow! Say hi, guys.
It's a beeper.
You say hi, guys.
It's a beeper.
We're gonna open the...
No. It's a beeper.
We're gonna open the parcels for baby Day
Mama.
things.
Mama, you said beeper.
Beeper.
What you want? Do you have money?
No, I don't.
You don't have money?
Yes.
Okay.
It's unbox na tayo natin.
Oh, thank you.
We're gonna unbox all the
Go.
things. What's this?
It's a gift for you.
You guess what is this?
I'm Adele.
Huh?
I'm here shopping. I'm going shopping.
Say hi, guys.
Mama.
Ah.
Yan.
Hello,
Mama,
guys.
you close your eyes. Then,
Tada! Welcome or welcome back to our
home.
home. And for today's vlog,
I will open it, and this one is for mommy.
okay,
Mama,
let's start.
Mama, this one is for you. This one is for me.
Okay, let's start.
Let's start.
Okay.
Mama, close your eyes. Mama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Hindi mo
8,
nalaglag
9, 10.
tuloy.
Mama.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow! It's so many parcels. Yes. Let's start with this big one.
Let's start. Oh,
With the big one. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, start na tayo.
I have this.
Yes. Start na.
It's a web.
Wow. Start.
It's a dog.
Sira. Gamit to lahat ni Baby Day.
Oh, it's here. Oh,
Ayun!
ayun.
Ito na ang damit niya.
Oh,
Ito na ang damit niya, oh. Wow.
Mama, that's mine. My arm's mine.
It's for Baby Day. I will buy yours. Yun. Oh, the socks.
Socks?
Yes. Oh.
Socks?
Dito, 3 socks. Pakita mo sa kanila.
Socks?
Socks. Ano natin ang laman?
Mama?
We're gonna look for the laman. Get mo yan. What's inside? Get mo. Ito, socks.
Socks?
Oh, pakita mo sa kanila.
Hi! This one's for Baby.
What colors? What color is this?
Do you want this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's open it.
Yes, we open it because we're going to Laba.
Mama.
This one
Mama,
is for Day.
Let's make dog hands. Cheese.
Ala, parang
This one or this
this
one?
is
This
for
one?
newborn.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. Time to
The
open
long
it.
sleeve.
Mama, let's open it. Dali.
Ay, baby.
Let's open it.
Go, dali.
Let's open it, Mama.
Go na, open it. Ay, mamaya na. Gawa, pipicture natin. Yan. May socks. May jacket.
Jacket.
Yan. Wait lang. Huwag mo ano.
And
And socks. Ayan, wag maguluhin.
This
Ayun,
one.
nalaglag na. Basa. I told you. Get mo. Dali. Get mo yun. I can't get it.
okay. You so
May
bad.
ganito. Yeah. May ano din siya. Ganito.
Baru-baruan.
Baru-baruan.
Or dry. Or not wet.
So, yan. Tapos, ito pa. Ano
Where's
to?
baby socks? Where's baby socks?
Ay, may sando din. Sando. Yan.
The baby socks.
Tapos, ito pa. Tadan! Pajama. Tadan! So, ano talaga kami? Vlog. The shorts.
That's for the baby socks.
And this is nalungkot nga siya. Why only baby?
Ha? Wala ka?
And this one,
Hindi?
para sa dito.
Wala ka?
Only baby, day lang.
Walang yun, pretty baby.
Tapos ito yung sa
Only baby. Ah,
shoes, set,
only baby.
yung sa noise.
You
Shoes
want
and
away?
hands.
Mama, let's open it the
Tapos,
sock.
another set. Bali,
Let's
tatlong
make
set.
a duck hand. Let's make a duck hand.
Duck's hands set.
This is
Tada!
this one. Mama, do you want this one?
No. Oh.
No? Why don't I get
Another one. Gonna open another one.
this one?
Ay, meron pa pala siya.
This one? This one?
May free siya na
Mama, do you want this one? Okay.
pillow.
Open it. Let's open it.
Pillow and...
Let's open it. Let's open it.
Okay.
I'm
Meron
going to
siya.
open it.
Ito.
Huh?
Bolsters.
And both face there.
2 bolsters. It's for day dates, not yours.
And pillows.
And pillows. Tada!
Ta-da!
Oh.
Let's open it the socks.
Ha?
Now let's open the socks.
You open the socks. Wag na.
And I'm small.
Ano pa to? Susuotin niya to if big na siya.
Mama, do you want this one?
Yeah, pila mo.
Okay. Okay.
Yan.
Let's make a hands. Let's make a hands duck.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's make that hands.
Ayan lang to ha. And then next, this one. This one is...
It's the duck.
Yun. Ano to?
It's the bunny duck. Bunny duck.
Busy siya. Ano to? Powder.
Yes.
Hala! Wait lang. Wala tayong pantusok. Oo. Kailan pa kayo?
Mama, I don't like this one. It's pangit. I want this one.
Ha?
It's so very cute.
Alin ang cute?
Ito.
Ito mabuksan eh. Yan. Para-paraan ano. Tada!
This one is blue. This one is green. This one is like a chain coil.
Yes!
It's just like a chain coil.
Yun! This is the baby powder. Oh no, there's a duck beside me. Mosger baby powder. Ay! Pakita mo kay Lolo. Ayan! Ayun! Naluglag pa.
Yag.
Ay, baby, ano yan? I-ano mo. Ito pa yun.
What?
Ito. Wait, I can get it pa.
Takut kayak pia, namanya takut pia, takut pia, ani namanya.
Hindi ko siya mabuksan, day.
Kayak pia, namanya takut pia, ani namanya.
Yun, nabuksan din. Excited ata si Dayday. Na-excite si baby Dayday. Ay! Anak, don't put it in my eyes. I can see. Wow, it's the same color. You talk. You talk. You talk to the duck. Say hi, Duck. What's your name? Say hi, Duck. What's your name?
Mama.
And there you go. Bukas na. Tchadan! This is Musgear Baby Shampoo. May shampoo na si Dede.
May shampoo?
Ikaw? Hala, nasakit ang tiyan ko. Oh no, my stomach is paining. Bibi, ito padali! Tapos, wala kasing kuryente dito, mga kahila. A cotton buds. Baby, this is the cotton buds.
Buds.
Yes.
Buds. Buds. I want it. This. That's the same color.
No, it's gray.
And blue.
Musgear cotton buds. Tadan! Tapos, cotton balls. Tapos, yan! Hala! It's a gray duck. Yes.
Mama, I
Next.
don't like it, the great duck.
Ayun na. Ang whites.
Why? Why you don't like it, this one?
Which one?
Why you don't like it, this one? Why you don't like it?
Which one?
You choose this one or this one.
The green. Because my favorite color is...
Mama,
Green.
it's us.
No. I'm busy.
Are you baby?
Yeah. You ask Johan the gunting. Ito wipes to, guys. Hindi ko lang siya mabuksan kasi
Blue.
sealed na sealed siya.
Mama, and gray.
And this is the
It is gray and
receiving blanket.
Mama, look.
Hello! Wow.
Do you want the same color?
Yes. Wala, ang ganda pala ito.
This one? Why you don't like it?
Ganda.
This
This
one?
one, oh.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
This is the receiving blanket.
And this one? Mama, you make it nice.
Next.
Later.
Like what?
This one. Rainforest.
Yan. Dadadadan.
Then.
Dadadadan. Dadadadan. Bango.
What's so slow?
Who's that? Someone is coming.
Someone is coming?
Yeah.
Is this a ghost?
Yeah. I
Is it
think so.
ghost? I think so. It's Raya.
Ang bango.
Mama, do you hear that? Mama, do you hear that?
Da?
The pop?
No. The pop. You pop it?
Yes.
Wait lang. Ito na ito. Hala. Tadan! Alcohol. Oh, there's alcohol. Walang free. There's no free. That's alcohol. Big alcohol.
Oh,
For...
it's very scary.
Why? This is alcohol. Are you scared to the alcohol?
Yes,
Why?
I'm so scared.
Ang bango! the smell. It's a 70% solution. Okay, next. Baby, get the next one. Don't remove it. Ayun pa, last. Move. I don't know what is that.
You can see me.
Huh?
Mama can see you. Mama can see.
Ito na, the big one.
Can see you.
What is this? It's a tissue. Baby, don't cry. Oh, it's a small pala.
It's so small.
Yeah.
Mama,
So small
Mama.
tissue.
Mama, can I get that tissue one? I have sip-on.
Hmm?
It's when I'm crying.
Because
Like a
you
baby.
cry. We have
Mama, can I have only one?
only one.
Can I have only one?
Only one tissue.
Can I have only one tissue? Can I have only one tissue?
Yes.
Yay! Thank you, Mommy.
Yeah. Dami nito. 6.
Can I have this one?
Yes. You want to open it? The other one. What's this? Wait lang. I will look for the...
Paya, ano naman yun?
Ito pala sa baba. Ayun pala. Dito siya sa baba. Bubuksan. Tapos kukuha ka ng isa. Wait lang ano. Yan. So hot, my goodness. Pause off. Hala, may pawis ako.
Mama, these are two.
Hala! So dirty your nose. Saan natin ito sasabit? We will sabit it and get one only. And then, last one. Ayan. Ito na, last na to. Hala! Huwag ka malikot dyan.
Mama, let me wipe
Bakit
you.
dalawa? Hala, bakit isa
Mama, let
lang?
me wipe you.
Yeah. So, what's up?
Mama, I massage them. I massage.
Yeah. You need to change.
Wait, ha?
The newborn diaper.
This one is blue white.
Anak, where did you put it?
I'm red.
You only wanna sit in your nose and face, not in the likod.
Because I'm red. Because I'm red.
Hmm?
Because I'm red.
Mm-mm.
Because of nothing. Nothing I need to my house.
Hello.
This one tell me anything.
You have a lot of energies.
Yes, I wash it and touch it.
Yan, diaper ni Day-Day. So small.
Very so small.
So small, guys.
I need a
What's
big
here?
one. I need a big one.
What?
I need big. Mama! You wait for me, huh? Yang.
Okay.
Wait. Then it's this one.
Okay. Ito na po.
I can see.
Tadan! Tapos na kami unboxing. So, yun lang yung gamit ni Baby Day-Day.
Mama, Do you want to talk?
Hmm? Okay.
Okay, let's put it. This one, the green one.
Yung sama na ano, kasi lalabhan natin to. Ligahan ang laba, this, clothes. Ayan.
Let's see about this one, the green. I just fall down.
Wala na, fall down siya. Kasi pinall down mo siya.
Cause that's you. Fall down.
No, it's you. I'm not the one who pull it down. Okay, guys. We're done. We're gonna put it on the... Right. Get the box in our house. Dali, lalagyan natin to. The box, the green box. In our house, dun sa kabila. Kay Lola's house. Sabi mo, Lola, I will get the green box because we're gonna put the clothes of baby Dede. Dali, go. Ay. So, yun guys. Tapos na tayo mag-unboxing. Ano lang to yung mga basic needs ni Tutoy. Ah, basic needs for baby. Yeah, go faster. The green box. Ito, lalabhan pa natin. Yan.
Rich, look.
Rich, say hi.